Yeah. We in Ghost Town, Cinco Ranch at the local bar. We got the loaded fries. Oh no, you didn't eat. Oh yes, I did. Oh, don't do that to him. Don't do that to him.
They're very good, but they're extra saucy, which makes them a little mushy.
Look at the sauce. Look at the cheese
Look at the
sauce.
mush. Look at the mush. That's the problem.
Nah, the mush is good, girl.
I would still probably say like an 8. It's really
Woo,
good. It's so really
even
good.
with the mush?
Well, 7.5 because of the mush.
The mush.
No volumetrics today.
Now it's time for me to flush it down with my, right on time. What we got here? Ooh, steaming action. Smell it. Let me get some camera action. Pinky out. What's this? Yeah, smoky.